Before you decide to buy VWO, there are 12 important things you should know. Many landing page software solutions promise to improve your conversion rates, but VWO brings unique features that set it apart from competitors like Optimizely, Unbounce, and InStapage. So, if you're on the fence, stick around to the end to see whether it's the right tool for you. The first thing to understand is the range of A/B testing features. VWO's A/B testing is versatile, allowing you to test multiple variations with detailed analytics. While competitors like Unbounce offer solid testing, VWO's multi-page and multivariate testing capabilities go further, giving you deeper insights into what works best for your audience. Next, let's talk about personalization. VWO offers personalized experiences based on user data and behaviors, something that rivals like InStapage also provide. But VWO's personalization features are more flexible and allow you to target segments with pinpoint accuracy. The third thing you should know is the user interface. Some users find VWO's interface more complex compared to others. But if you're looking for advanced options and are comfortable with a learning curve, this can be a benefit. For beginners, platforms like Unbounce might feel more intuitive, but VWO's depth could be worth the extra time. Next, VWO's integration options are solid. It integrates well with tools like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and more. While some competitors also offer integrations, VWO's broad support for both third-party apps and custom APIs gives you flexibility in managing your marketing stack. The fifth thing you need to know is the pricing structure. VWO's pricing can be on the higher end, especially if you're just starting out or if you're a small business. It's not the cheapest tool out there, but the value you get in terms of advanced features might justify the cost. Next, VWO offers a robust heat map feature. Heat maps help you understand user behavior, showing you where people are clicking, scrolling, or ignoring. This visual representation of data can help you optimize your landing pages better than raw analytics alone. It's one of the standout features that many competitors lack or offer in a limited form. The seventh point is the reporting system. VWO provides detailed reports with advanced filtering and segmentation, giving you the insights you need to make data-driven decisions. Compared to competitors, it offers more customization in report generation, which is crucial for marketers looking for specific data. The eighth thing you should consider is the support options. VWO offers solid customer support with live chat, email support, and resources. However, the wait time for responses can sometimes be longer compared to the more instant support that tools like InStapage offer. Still, VWO's customer service is knowledgeable and generally helpful. Next up, let's discuss the flexibility of VWO's page builder. It comes with a drag-and-drop builder, but while it's user-friendly, it might not be as simple as Unbounce or InStapage's more streamlined page builders. However, for those with experience or a development background, VWO provides greater control. The 10th thing is VWO's experimentation features. Beyond A/B testing, you can run multivariate tests, split URL tests, and more. This level of experimentation allows you to dig deeper into optimization, which may be more complex than what simpler tools like lead pages offer. The 11th point is that VWO focuses heavily on conversion optimization, offering features like surveys, form analytics, and user feedback. This comprehensive approach gives you more than just data. It helps you directly engage with users and understand their needs. Not all landing page tools provide this, and it makes VWO stand out. Finally, while VWO has an excellent feature set, it's important to know that it's designed for marketers who need in-depth analysis and testing capabilities. If you're a small business or new to landing page optimization, it might feel overwhelming. But if you're looking for a more robust, scalable solution, it's a great fit. In conclusion, VWO is a solid choice for advanced users seeking comprehensive testing, personalization, and reporting features. However, if you're looking for something simpler or more cost-effective, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.